It's a diaper fight. It's a diaper fight. They're having a tug of war with the diaper.
What's going on up there?
They're having a diaper fight.
What are you doing with Lucy? Is that her nighttime one?
Yeah. I had to put a new one on. That's a defective one.
Is it on her?
I changed it already.
What's Lucy doing?
She's got your diaper. Look, Francesca getting into it. They were having a tug of war. It was so funny.
Sit. Lucy, sit.
She got it. You're not gonna stand for that, are you? I know, but then this started, didn't it? And you weren't up here to say goodnight, so we started to play. Go get her. Here she comes, Luce.
Get the diaper, Francesca.
Get it.
Francesca, get the diaper. No, not Cookie Monster. Or Elmo, whatever he is. Lucy.